Hello everyone, welcome to A.M.B channel. Today it's gonna be a short video. I'm gonna show you how to copy all iOS files in your flash router and your router's flash by using TFTP server. Uh, you have two ways. First way is using copy command or use archive command. Uh, for me, I'm gonna use archive command. I'm gonna show you how to do this. First, I'm gonna show you my flash here. This is all the files in the router's flash. If you want to copy it, you can use copy command, but copy command you should copy uh, each file per command, so it's gonna be difficult. But you can use one command to copy all these files. How to do this? Use archive command. Now I am using TFTP server here. First, let's see IP address here. Show IP interface brief. Giga00. I am using here in my router Giga00. So I'm gonna assign IP address here first. Interface Giga00. No shutdown. IP address 10.0.1.255.255.255.0/24. Now I'm gonna use go to my PC and change the IP address, Ethernet, properties, and IP version 4, and it's gonna be here 10.0.0.2. That's it. Close. Okay, and I am gonna disable here Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's try being each other, but first you should disable the firewall, because firewall disable ICMP protocol, so you should do this. I'm gonna put it 1 hour here. Okay, also I'm gonna disable auto protect 1 hour. So let's do this. Try to ping each other 1 1. Here we go. If I want to ping from my ping my PC, it's working. I'm try to ping from my PC to router .1, and here we go. I got reply. Okay, so now how to do this? It's easy. I'm gonna show you here the command. This is command here. Archive, and the file it should be .tar and /create tftp, and put your IP of tftp server and name the file you wanted .tar, and the files from flash will be copied to your tftp server. So let's do this. Archive question mark. You can use config, log, and tar. I'm gonna use here tar. You want to create tar file or extract. If you have files, extract files, you want to extract it from your TFTP server to flash, use extract. But I want to create tar file to get the all iOS in your router to TFTP server. So I'm gonna use here create. Now type like this. Let's continue here. TFTP. Oh, sorry, TFTP first. TFTP. TFTP IP is gonna be 10.10.2. This is my PC here IP address. Now copy word dir to archive files from. I'm gonna name it now. My router is 2821, so I'm gonna name it router 2821 dot not dot tar, put it like this, and finally flash. That's it. Error opening TFTP illegal protocol, or maybe we forgot something here. Okay, let's gonna use this again. Dot tar archive tar create TFTP illegal protocol operation. I forgot here backslash, I think, like this, and here we go. It's gonna take some time, so let's wait here. Okay, now I got all the files in router slash here, iOS, and also the files of phones, Cisco IP phones, and here we go. This is the file. Let's open it. All these files I get it from router slash by using one command only. That's it. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments. See you in next video. See ya.